This here's a jam for all the fellas. Try to do what those ladies tell us. Get shot down cause you're overzealous. Play hard to get females, get jealous. Okay, smarty, go to a party. Girls are scantily clad and showing body. Your chicks walks by and you wish you could sex her, but you stand at the wall like you was Poindexter. Next day's function, high class luncheon. Food is served and you're so-called munching. Music comes on, people start to dance, but then you ate so much you nearly split your pants. A girl starts walking, guy starts gawking. Sits down next to you and starts talking. Says she wants to dance cause she likes the groove. So come on, fatso, and just bust the move. And you're wishing someone to cure your lonely condition. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Don't find